हे भगवान बचा लेना.
That's how the episode's gonna start. Right? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Having Said That show. I'm your co-host Adi alongside Jay.
What's up, guys?
Guys, I'm so excited for today's guest, and I feel like I've spoken about him before, and it was basically to give him credit for one of my biggest songs ever.
I don't play no games, girl. That is just insane, girl. Sticky in my head, tight. That is not a name, girl. Infatuated fame, girl. Everything the same, girl. Like my girls with drip, drip, drip. Rain, girl.
भीगी भागी ढीली ढाली सीधी सादी दिखा आती वो तो पीछे भागी मिलने लेकर चली माजी देख सीधा शादी इजी बाजी एक किसी का भी नहीं रेखा में चल पीछे नारी came took a sip thick chick hip hip wetty like I'm Shaq yeah drip drip it's in the flick of the wrist tip of the tip ice baby ice melts when I'm dancing just like Mike baby I hit her on her telephone then I go on telephone a friend she can bring with her she said I am such a slum dog no millionaire yes I am a bad man. I don't play no games, girl. That is just insane, girl. Sticky in my head type. That is not a main girl. Infatuated fame, girl. Everything the same, girl. Like my girls with drip, drip, drip. Rain, girl.
आप तो बिल्कुल भीग गई हैं. यहाँ कोई कपड़ा पड़ा भी तो नहीं.
Guys, if y'all don't know him, you know him now because Himanshu Dalani, one of the best choreographers, dancers in the country, is on the Having Said That show.
Man, what's up?
I just want to take like 2 minutes to thank you, man. Like it was so cool for me to wake up one day and just see that video, and literally the result of that was 300% increases in my streams. A lot of people come into my channel because of you, and I think that's the beauty of like what YouTube does, of what you have created with your community. So just thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, straight up, man.
I want to say भाई आपका song इतना अच्छा है, you know. I was like in the car with my friend and उसने song play किया. I was like कौन है यार ये artist यार, ऐसे गाने तो बनते नहीं हैं इंडिया में. जाके देखा, मैंने कहा यार गाना करना चाहिए. And the next day I've choreographed it. I've done a video, डाल दिया, viral हो गया. मुझे भी नहीं पता पड़ा. But honestly the song was good. To be honest कि हमें लगता है कि यार हम डांस करेंगे या फिर मैं डांस करूँगा या फिर कोई अच्छा बड़ा आर्टिस्ट डांस करेगा किसी गाने पे तो ज़्यादा वायरल होगा. बट यू नो इन दी एंड द मैटर जो सॉन्ग है, द लिरिक्स है, जो उसका प्रोडक्शन है, वो काफ़ी मैटर करता है. एंड आई फील यू हैव डन अ ग्रेट जॉब एंड थैंक्स फॉर सच एन अमेजिंग सॉन्ग मैन.
No man,
मुझे भी बहुत लोगों मुझे भी बहुत लोगों ने जाना वो गाने के बाद. मैंने कहा यार हाँ.
I have to say one thing, matlab, I've noticed with dancers, what they do is they're hearing also from a different perspective. Like as musicians, we spend so much time on the production and everything, but then you guys pick up jo wo random pockets hote hain, rhythm ke and stuff, and you highlight those, which makes the viewer like the song more as well. So it's a two-way street. I think let's stop complimenting each other.
हो गया खत्म.
So now I'm going to put you on the spot. A bit.
Yeah.
Your controversial opinion.
हे भगवान. Controversial opinion.
आपके फील्ड में या anything else?
मेरे फील्ड में I feel now everyone wants to be, you know, like a dancer. हर कोई डांस कर रहा है रील्स पे आके, हर कोई. मतलब it's good मतलब करो, ऐसा नहीं है करो. But I feel कि we are the generation who can, you know, tell other guys कि इस वे में जाना चाहिए और इस डायरेक्शन में आना चाहिए. So it's a responsibility on all of us that whatever we are doing, there should be a purpose behind it.
Sure.
I feel like that because as an artist I always be like कि यार अब मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो अंडरग्राउंड सीन में या फिर यू नो क्रिएटर के स्पेस में क्या माइंडसेट चेंज कर रहा है. मैं कर रहा हूँ तो लोगों पे क्या इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर रहा है. सो आई फील लाइक दैट कि जो भी आप कर रहे हो देयर शुड बी अ रीज़न बिहाइंड इट. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक ओके आई वांट टू डू जस्ट because it's trending.
Of course.
You know what I'm trying to say?
I mean, I know me and Sid have gone through Himanshu's YouTube channel thoroughly, but even if you guys check it out, the quality of the content is like always a notch above what I see on other channels. It's like more produced. Even the Rain Girl video that he'd done, it was like fully produced. It was like a music video.
All those effects and all the
everything,
special effects and all that.
यार एक वीडियो है, आप कितने भी कुछ भी करने वाले हो, आप जिंदगी भर तक रहेगा वो. ठीक है, आप लाइफ में बुढ़ा हो जाओगे, मैं तो देखना चाहता हूँ यार मुझे मजा आना चाहिए. यार मैं देख रहा हूँ सही लग रहा है यार।
Yeah.
वो ना वो एक जो सेटिस्फेक्शन है ना वो मुझे चाहिए मेरे हर एक कंटेंट में। इफ़ आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट, इफ़ आई एम नॉट यू नो इन दैट स्पेस, मुझे लगता है यार फिर मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ। तो मेरे अंदर से एक आवाज़ बोलती थी यार हिमांशु, मतलब यू कैन डू बेटर, और मे बी यू कैन यू नो गिव सम मोर टाइम एंड क्रिएट अ गुड कंटेंट सो दैट इट कैन you know inspire people
Sure.
or motivate other people to you know also dance, because मेरे को मुझे बहुत लोग आके बोलते हैं यार आपकी वजह से मैंने डांस स्टार्ट किया है, आपने मेरी लाइफ सुधारी है, you know I was
started dancing.
Yeah, I
Because of
started
that
doing-
reel.
because of that video.
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course.
Hey man,
Literally, yeah.
okay.
It didn't go well at all. It didn't go well.
No, we'll show you some videos.
अगर मैं आपको नहीं जाऊँगा ना सिंग करने जाऊँगा, अरे मुझसे भी नहीं हो रहा है।
Trying to make the best thing, उसका कुछ end नहीं है.
Correct.
वो तो how do you define an end?
So-
you know, उसका वो एक प्रॉब्लम है, right?
एंड तो बिल्कुल नहीं है। वीडियो होने के बाद मुझे लगता है यार मैं अच्छा कर सकता था। आई थिंक he'll also feel the same.
Yeah.
कि कुछ भी रिलीज होने के बाद ना आपको ये लगेगा कि यार मैं यार और अच्छा कर सकता था, या फिर कुछ तो कमी रह गई, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग।
Yeah.
बिकॉज आई फील लाइक कि आप ना एक जगह पे यू नो रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं हो, आपको लगता है कि आप और अच्छा कर सकते हो और अच्छा कर सकते हो, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग। बट समटाइम्स ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएट योर सेल्फ कि यार आप इतना आ गए हो।
Yes.
मतलब आप एक वो एक बैरियर तोड़ते जा रहे हो, बट अगर वो बैरियर तो रहेगा ही, बट आपका इतना गैप तो कम से कम फिल हो रहा है। यू नो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से।
Fair, yeah.
सो वो तो रहना ही है, मतलब वो तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इनसे ज़्यादा भी और कोई समझेगा। ये निकालने के बाद भी ये सोचेंगे यार सही था क्या यार।
ये podcast.
But आपका main platform has been YouTube only.
या यूट्यूब मोस्टली यूट्यूब।
Oh yeah, guys, we should mention this that Himanshu will be performing at the YouTube Fan Fest this
Yeah,
Thursday.
guys.
We're all gonna be there in attendance. So hopefully you guys are there as well. It'll be so fun. It's our first time going.
Yeah,
Yeah,
crazy.
it's
Yeah.
crazy.
It's also YouTube Fan Fest. It started in the US and stuff, and then in 2014, I think it was in India, and they got all these big creators, and we were like, what? How old? We were 14,
14.
Yeah.
15,
much.
right?
Ariana is so sad she's missing it.
Yeah.
It's their 10th year of doing it.
या 10th year also I want to say that मुझे भी 10 साल हो गए यूट्यूब पे, मतलब
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh.
it's like pretty coincidence.
Wait, you don't know how old he is. Guess how old he is.
Like 28, 29.
26, bro. This man's been at it
26. Oh,
since
bro.
16.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah.
That's
I think
crazy.
you have to guess how old each of us is now.
Hey,
Come on.
Just try.
It'll be fun.
सबका छोटा बोल दूंगा मैं बच जाऊंगा।
I should have done that.
I feel you will be 29.
Okay, we won't tell you. We won't tell you.
Okay. You look like 20s नहीं बोलता हूँ सब लोग को। I feel 29, 28.
Okay.
You look 30.
Maybe.
Okay, 30. So we'll go 30, 29. I feel like up.
No.
For you, I feel 29, 30.
Okay.
Sure.
But he looks young.
Oh.
28.
28. He does look young.
I'm 25.
25?
25. 25.
I
He's
just
the
turned,
youngest
I
out
just
of all
turned
of us.
25.
Yeah.
He's the youngest out of all
Yeah.
of us.
What's your age?
25.
25.
I just
He
turned
just turned
25.
25.
Like,
And
I'm
you?
31.
31.
He's the only one.
How
shy.
close? 25. But you guys don't look like, man.
The funny thing
यहाँ
is
आके ऐसा पानी में कुछ है क्या? मैं भी आने आएगा पानी।
Stress बहुत है यहाँ से.
Stress बहुत है।
No, the funny thing is that you thought Aman was older than me.
Yeah, that's great. I could hold
Sorry यार।
no, that's okay. The worst part is you said I'll guess young and all.
I thought he was gonna compliment Aditya. You know, he's like, oh yeah, he looks young. He's 28.
बड़े साइड से कर रहे हैं, ऊपर।
So you were saying कि well, YouTube Fan Fest started in 2014 and so did you. Like, you started YouTube 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So, मतलब, was YouTube the first platform that you started putting out your music, your dance and your content on?
Yeah.
उसके पहले कुछ और भी था?
नहीं, YouTube ही था मोस्टली तो।
हाँ,
स्टार्टिंग में मैंने डाला था एक वीडियो, YouTube का चैनल क्रिएट किया, डाला था। एक्चुअली एक कंपटीशन के लिए आया था एंड दे वांटेड मी टू सबमिट द वीडियो, बट उन्होंने कहा कि YouTube पे डाल के जस्ट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एंड गिव मी द लिंक। लाइक ठीक है, डाल दिया मैंने एंड वो बहुत बकवास था वीडियो। हटा दिया मैंने वीडियो, अच्छा था नहीं इतना। तो मेमोरी के लिए रखा हुआ है। तो वैसे मैंने YouTube बनाया था चैनल अपना एंड देयर वाज लाइक नो ऐसा कुछ कि आई हैव टू यू नो क्रिएट वीडियोस एवरी वीक और एवरी मंथ आई हैव टू पुट द वीडियो। स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा नहीं था, बट व्हेन आई केम बॉम्बे एंड देखा कि यार अपना टैलेंट शोकेस करने के लिए यू हैव टू यू नो अपलोड एंड यू हैव टू बी
Visible.
या। तो मैं डालता गया वीडियोस देन इट गॉट वायरल तो ऐसा कुछ ऐसा इनिशियली कुछ ऐसा प्लान नहीं था कि मुझे यूट्यूब पे डालना है वीडियोस. इट केम ग्रेजुअली.
So you moved to Bombay when you were 16 only, right?
I was 16.
And you moved
yeah.
alone.
I moved alone. So yeah, that's a different story only.
Let's go for it, man.
So 10th के बाद तो मुझे पढ़ाई करनी ही नहीं थी. मुझे था कि यार मेरा मन बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा है पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करने का, बट पापा मम्मी ने कहा कि यार 11th 12th को कर लो कम से कम. तो 11th 12th किया मैंने. फिर मैंने कहा अब नहीं करूँगा. उसके बाद छुट्टियाँ होती है हमारे इधर, तो हमारे इधर छुट्टियों में नानी के यहाँ जाते हैं. तो मैं इंदौर गया था और वहाँ से मैंने मम्मी को बोला यार दैट अब मैं जा रहा हूँ बॉम्बे क्योंकि मुझे डांस सीखना है. तो शी वाज लाइक नो ये वो वगैरह पैसों वैसों का सीन भी था. तो पता नहीं मेरे मन में क्या आया, गरम गुन मेरे को बोला निकल जा. मैं निकल गया सुबह.
अच्छा इंदौर से
निकल गया मैं क्योंकि पापा नहीं थे ना वहाँ पे. ग्वालियर में था मैं. ग्वालियर में पापा बोले थे कि तुम कहीं निकला ना अगर. तो मैं वहाँ गया नानी के इधर. मासी से बोला मैंने, मासी ने मेरे को थोड़े से पैसे दिए और मैं वहाँ से निकल गया बस पकड़ के. बस पकड़ के एक जगह पे आया, फिर वहाँ से स्टेशन पे पहुँचा और वहाँ से मैं अंधेरी स्टेशन आ गया बस. मतलब मैं कैसे भी करके पहुँच गया. वहाँ पर आके मुझे लगा कि मैं सही आया ना, सही किया ना मैंने. इतने लोग और सुबह का 9 बजे का टाइम था. पीपल रनिंग आर लाइक कैसे भाग रहे, कैसे बस जा रही है, बस ना टेढ़ी जा रही है मेरे सामने. इतने लोग हैं उसमें. मैं देख रहा हूँ मेरी लाइफ से पूरी फ्लैश हो रही है. सब फास्ट मोशन में हो गया ऐसे. जब
पहले बॉम्बे कभी नहीं आया?
कभी नहीं आया था.
बॉलीवुड मूवी मैन.
पहली बार ही आ गया और अंधेरी आ गया. मैं अंधेरी में, और मेरा जो दोस्त था वो था कल्याण उल्लासनगर का. बोला तू अंधेरी क्या कर रहा है, तेरे को उल्लासनगर आने का. मैंने कहा ये कहाँ पर, रुक मैं आता हूँ करके. और मेरा फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ, वो मुझे फ़ोन कर रहा होगा, मेरा फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ था. वहाँ से जुहू बीच गया, वहाँ पे मैंने फ़ोन चार्ज किया क्योंकि मुझे बीच देखना था मुझे. मैं बीच चला गया. अब मैंने फ़ोन चार्जिंग पे लगाया. अब मैं भूल गया मैंने फ़ोन चार्जिंग पे कहाँ लगाया क्योंकि मेरी बहुत सारी शॉप्स थी वहाँ पर. मैं कहाँ लगाया. फिर मैंने फ़ोन चार्ज देखा, उसको कॉल वॉल किया, वो मुझे आया लेके गया. फिर मुझे बहुत दूर ले गया. ऐसा लगा मैं वापस ग्वालियर जा रहा हूँ. उल्लासनगर गया फिर वहाँ पे मैंने वहाँ से जर्नी स्टार्ट करी अपनी.
But then like when you were here,
so it was gradually. उल्लासनगर आया, कल्याण आया, थाने आया, मुलुंड आया, फिर दादर आया, फिर अंधेरी आया.
अभी आप सोबो में हो.
मैं सोबो में आया डायरेक्टली. अब डायरेक्ट चांद पे जाऊंगा मैं.
So you came to Bombay.
Yeah.
And then what, you went to dance classes? Is that?
Yeah, I just came and I was like कि मुझे डांस सीखना है. और वो मेरा एक फ्रेंड था, फेसबुक पे बन गया था. और मैं उस पर ट्रस्ट करके आ गया था इधर.
अरे क्या बात है.
हाँ, बैंगलोर उसने फ़ोन उठा लिया इधर. तो आया, फिर उल्लासनगर लेके गया. फिर मेरे पास इतना फाइनेंशियली ना ही मेरी फैमिली स्ट्रांग थी, ना ही मेरे पास इतने पैसे थे कि मैं एक अलग सी जगह रेंट पे रह के आई शुड स्टे. तो मैं एक स्टूडियो में रहने लगा था और वहीं सिखाने भी लगा था और वहीं सीखने भी लगा था. यस, थोड़ा टाइम वहाँ हुआ. फिर थोड़े से कॉन्टैक्ट्स बने. तो उन्होंने फिर कहीं ना कहीं होते चला गया.
Like from 17 only you were teaching?
No, not teaching. I was like learning, but I was also staying there. And जो भी छोटे बच्चों को हमें सिखाने के लिए बोल देते थे, जितना आता था उतना ही बोलते थे लोग कि इतना ही सिखाओ करके, क्योंकि आपको इतना ही आता है अभी.
And इस सब के बीच में your parents?
They called. They called.
Phone तो you lost.
भूल गए ना कहाँ जा रहे हो.
तो हाँ, फिर उसके बाद देखता था क्या उठाऊंगा करूँगा. बोलते तो थे आने के लिए वापस. मैंने कहा आऊँगा. अब तो आयो तो कुछ तो मतलब करके जाओ, थोड़ा तो करके जाओ.
Now they're proud of you.
या अभी तो ऑफकोर्स. पहले पैसे मांगने भी शर्म आती थी, अब तो मांगते में देते थे. क्या चाहिए आपको, ये लो, और चाहिए ये लो.
I love your story.
Yeah.
क्योंकि I told you I work in film and this sounds like a movie. And I'm asking you, you're a dancer,
Yeah.
Bollywood. Who's your favorite Bollywood actor? And what is that? When I was a kid, I watched whatever, Kal Ho Na Ho.
Yeah.
And the lead character was named Aman.
Yeah.
And my name was Aman and I said, wow, I want to make movies.
Yeah.
So what was that? What did you watch? And you were like, yeah, I want to dance like him.
Dance like him. So I watched शाहिद कपूर सबसे पहले. मतलब ऑफ कोर्स ऋतिक रोशन भी बहुत अच्छा है, बट पता नहीं मुझे शाहिद को देख के ना ऐसा लगा कि यार ये है, मतलब स्टाइल बहुत था, मतलब बहुत स्वैग था उसके अंदर ना. बिकॉज ही वाज आल्सो बैकग्राउंड डांसर. श्यामक से वो ट्रेंड हुए, बैकग्राउंड डांसर है, फिर वो एक्टर हुए. तो इट्स लाइक अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी. तो आई फील लाइक कि यार ऐसा करना है मुझे. और मैं उसके मूव्स उसको कॉपी करता था, देखता था, ऐसा करता था. ऋतिक का तो अच्छा लगता था यार. नहीं, शायद ही ठीक है.
You mean Hrithik was a different level only?
Yeah.
Even Michael Jackson, I'm sure.
वैसे तो मतलब मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया तो मैंने अपने स्कूल में देख के स्टार्ट किया एक को.
हाँ.
सो टीचर्स डे होता था और वहाँ पे सब लोग परफॉर्म करते थे. एंड जब हमें मौका मिला देखने का, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा स्किप कर देता था, मैंने कहा क्या करूँगा जाके, एक बार चला गया और वहाँ पे ना कुछ MJ का परफॉर्मेंस हो रहा था एंड द गाय वाज डूइंग अ मून वॉक और मुझे लग रहा था यार ये हवा में कैसे चल रहा है यार ये क्या कर रहा है कैसे करके और सारी लड़कियाँ उस पर पागल मैंने कहा यार ये क्या है ये क्या हो रहा है
ये true origin
ये
story है.
ये है ट्रू स्टोरी कि यार मैंने उसको देखा और मैं सच में उससे इंस्पायर हुआ
हाँ.
एंड फिर मैंने उससे बात भी की ये वो वगैरह तो फिर मुझे वहाँ से शौक चढ़ा और मुझे वहाँ से पता पड़ा कि माइकल जैक्सन भी है मतलब उस पर्सन के थ्रू तो फिर मैंने वीडियो देखना स्टार्ट किया तो दैट वाज द मेन स्टोरी कि यार मुझे यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा फैसिनेट हुआ मैं एक्चुअली ना डांस से पहले मैं ऐसा इंस्पायर नहीं हुआ मुझे ऐसा लगा ये सब कैसे कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
तो बस ये हुआ था उसके बाद से फिर मैंने सर्च करना स्टार्ट किया देखना स्टार्ट किया एंड लाइक शोज कमिंग इन DID उसमें भी धर्मेश्वर आए थे उन्होंने उनका जो परफॉर्मेंस था इट वेंट वायरल
हाँ.
तो बहुत मतलब उस टाइम पे बहुत क्रेज़ था डांस का एक्चुअली बहुत ऐसा क्रेज़ था कि हम जैसे जहाँ पे हम रहते थे वहाँ पे मतलब ऐसा था कि यार अगर आप कोई TV शो किए या फिर आपने ऐसा कुछ डांस वांस किया यू आर अ बिग thing you know
If
it's
you
a big
become
thing
popular.
yeah अभी तो I think you have like lot of resources
हाँ.
जहाँ पे आप वीडियो डाल के you know अपना आर्ट पेश कर सकते हो but
Even now, like when I look at some of the viral dances,
yeah
you'll notice ki like the In My Feelings dance, if you guys remember.
I remember that, yeah.
It's something that a lot of people can do.
okay.
So like I feel like good choreography is also something that maybe a lot of people can attempt and also do. It's not just like, okay, what's the sickest, like not everyone can do the moonwalk, you know?
Yeah.
So have you seen any like trends like that are coming? Even the Toba Toba one, now we should talk about that.
yeah
Are you going to teach us after?
yeah definitely bhai.
Okay, sick. We're going to learn this, huh, Jay?
But he said that it is actually not as hard as it looks.
yeah
Yeah.
Like the camera angle makes it look.
I didn't know this. Let's do it. I don't mind. But I think like dancers make trends. You know,
Yeah.
I think like
Yeah.
now with the space that music is in,
Correct.
like all of the dancers, and that's how music becomes a thing. Like that's how sounds are created through like the dances. If you have a catchy hook, chances are like a dancer's gonna hop on that, and then that becomes a viral sound.
Correct,
You know, there's no viral songs anymore. There's
Correct.
viral sounds.
Yeah.
So if you have that sound on your profile, it's just gonna blow up.
Yeah.
You know.
yeah
It's cool.
So it's wild. Like there's dance moves like I mean, obviously back in the day it started with like the Renegade or whatever, right? Like that's
Yeah.
a move. Like you remember the move more than the actual song.
Yeah.
Which is
even
wild.
like I would say the Harlem Shake is a version
Oh
of
my
a
god,
dance
bro!
move.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's back in the day, bro.
Those are designed to be a dance.
Yeah.
Sure.
You know, like what is the other one? The whip and nene thing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's more of a
Yeah.
Black Beatles
Yeah.
kind of dancer.
There's also this the Gangnam Style.
Oh,
Gangnam
but
Style.
one-
Gangnam
yeah.
Style.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Teach me how to
But like you
dance.
see Tyler did it with water.
Yeah.
That no one can. But I'll watch. I'll
But
watch
like,
all.
yeah, that's different though. You
I
know,
think that's
like,
it. Yeah, that's
that's different. I think there's something else about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Catching your eye.
It's the song.
Yeah,
The song.
definitely. It's well produced, obviously.
But Adi, it's an interesting point.
Yeah.
What he's saying. I want to know what you think. Okay?
Yeah.
Does a good dance have to be something that everyone can do, or does it have to be something that no one can do? You know, it's that good.
no I mean
Say it, bro. No one can do. Fuck it, bro. I think a good dance is something I could never. I see this dude do it. I'd be like, no, I'm not gonna try it. Only, bro. That's a good. For me, that's like breakdancing and shit, bro. It's so fucking cool. I would not be able to do that.
Yeah.
You know. But like, obviously, there's levels to it.
I think it exists. Go
No,
for
wait,
it.
yeah, let him answer
let him
because he's
answer.
getting away with this.
I mean there is no boundary कि यार ऐसा होना ही चाहिए डांस you know
ठीक है.
हमारे यहाँ पे भी गणपति विसर्जन में कैसे भी डांस करते हैं तो आप उसको वो भी डांस ही एक तरह से you know अभी बिकॉज इट्स अ वेस्टर्न कल्चर आई फील लाइक कि सब लोग को ऐसा होना चाहिए कि टेक्निक आनी चाहिए बट मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि यू नो यू हैव टू बी अ you have to know a great technique to dance. Anyone can dance. You have to just feel good, you know.
Yeah.
But
Having said that,
having said that,
You made a mistake, huh?
I goaded him into that.
Oh, you did? Did you tell him before?
No, we didn't tell him.
No,
But
but
I
even
still
you
think it
said it.
applies.
Sid,
though.
yeah,
I
Sid
still
said
think it
it.
applies.
If you say that phrase on our show, you have to take a shot.
Are you
Sure.
okay with that?
I don't drink. I
Oh,
actually
okay,
don't
no
drink.
problem. Sid has to take
But
it.
Sid
though.
does.
That's the thing.
I will. But I'm going back to work after this.
Oh,
please.
that's crazy, bro. That's so
Bro,
There's
bad.
literally only enough for one shot left.
Bro,
Let's
Sid,
finish
for
this.
you. One shot, you'll be okay.
Okay.
You're
Can
trying to
this
get him with
bottle,
these
bro.
questions.
Put it in my lemonade, chal.
You know what? You brought this into the world. You take it out, bro.
I
Yeah.
don't know why it fizzed, bro. I don't know. There's no reason.
That's a really bad sign, though,
Bro,
bro.
it re-fermented.
I
in that
feel
form.
like
It's now 80% alcohol.
1 year later, it'll become potato inside.
Hey, we're
That's so
done with
bad,
this
bro.
bottle, man.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out
Shout out Silver Volk.
Shout out Silver
Vodka
Volk,
from
man.
Russia.
And who
Man.
bought this? You
No,
only
put it
bought
back on the shelf, man.
Sid bought it.
We'll get another bottle.
Himanshu, it's a good thing you don't drink because it is the worst vodka I've ever tasted
Bro,
in my life.
yeah.
So bad. It's so bad. This was in my room for.
Oh,
a
you
year.
brought it. Okay.
Yeah.
No. Sid gave it to
me.
Aditya, who brought it to my house,
Yeah.
and it was so bad. We left it in my room for a year, and then randomly, we do challenges, so we do
Yeah.
forfeits. So like, what's the worst thing that we can make someone drink? This vodka. Like, you still have it? I'm like, of course I still have it. I haven't drank it.
Yeah.
So then we brought it to the studio. It's a punishment now.
But I think what you were gonna say, Himanshu, is
Yeah.
that anybody can dance,
Yeah.
but not everybody should dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much. That's fair though. That's
I mean, you're looking yourself, of course. आपको तो पता ही रहेगा आप कैसे लग रहे हो
हाँ.
डांस करते हुए. Just don't be blind and just keep on doing it.
हाँ.
Of course, go through the classes, sometimes learn. But if you're doing it for a hobby, then do it for a hobby. It's
Yeah.
okay. I mean,
Which of your
to each
contemporaries-
own ऐसा है यार कि मतलब उससे चाहिए तो चाहिए, डांस करना तो करना है, नहीं करना तो नहीं
हाँ.
करना है. हम कौन होते जज करने वाले?
do you think dance helps with people's confidence though?
Yeah, definitely.
Like if you like as like a young person, if you struggle with like, you know, being social or whatever,
Yeah.
dance is like being social through your body.
Yeah, so I'll tell about myself. मुझे नहीं पता दूसरों का. मैं बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ. मतलब मुझे पॉडकास्ट बनाने के लिए मुझे इतना थॉट देना पड़ा कि यार मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ, मुझे कैसे बात करना है. Because it's very new for me and I have never done it.
Hmm.
You're doing really good, man.
I'm
Yeah, I would
trying,
not have guessed.
I'm trying. So for me, more than talking, I feel like कि मैं वो डांस में अगर अपना इमोशन थ्रो कर सकता हूँ ना, तो why not?
Hmm.
तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरे से ज़्यादा बातें, मेरे से ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं हो पाएंगी अनलेस आई एम नॉट विद माई फ्रेंड्स, क्योंकि मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल्स का जो लैंग्वेज है इट्स वेरी
Yeah, sure, of course. Yeah.
वेरी दिस. हम लोग जैसे बात करेंगे आपको एक ऐसा 3 एपिसोड खोलने पड़ेंगे आपको. हाँ, तो मुझे पता नहीं यार मैं कैमरे पे कैसा रहूँगा. तो मेरे लिए ना डांस बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करता है कि मैं अपने जो भी इमोशंस है, जो भी मुझे बोलना है, वो आई थिंक मैं डांस के थ्रू बोल सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
बिकॉज आई डोंट रिस्ट्रिक्ट माई सेल्फ टू लाइक अ particular genre. I feel like I've done gangster songs also. I've done lovey-dovey songs also. I've done swag songs also. मतलब जितने भी सारे जो मेरे इमोशंस अंदर है, मैं जो आई थिंक मैं बात करके नहीं बोल पाता, वो मैं डांस के थ्रू दिखा देता
Yeah. It's important to have like a physical outlet for your emotions as well.
Sometimes you have like lot of things inside which you can't express.
Yeah.
And dance gives me that.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Dance is like, to me, the one performance that my brain can't understand.
I've seen you dance before. You're a pretty good dancer.
You've seen me dance before. I don't remember that dance. That's why. And that's my I can't understand how people can move like that. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah,
Like it really, it just like it
It's like a
confuses
different
me.
language.
Yeah. But what I think is really cool is all the like athletic superheroes all have backgrounds in dance. Like all the Spider-Man. Tom Holland was a ballet dancer.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah, and then
I
that.
was it also.
Yeah, right. Isn't that?
And
funny?
Andrew Garfield. And,
Garfield did Broadway.
Wow. Okay.
All these guys like.
Tobey Maguire.
I don't know about Toby now, bro.
All the Spider-Man.
Okay, sorry, bro.
I just know. I assume that you meant.
Shamik
There are
Moore.
rappers also who
Yeah.
who are the dancers and then they came into rap.
I mean,
scene.
rap and dance are very, very, very closely related because
Soulja Boy.
Because of of course.
Okay.
Chance the
Shout out
Rapper
You.
started same as you. He did a Michael Jackson dance at his talent show, and that was his first time performing.
Yeah. I
And
mean,
then he
hip hop
became-
and dance go hand in hand. I feel so
Yeah.
much.
Dude.
Because of the nature of like the beat and how fast it is and how rhythmic it is. It just all comes together.
Yeah.
It's cool, man.
I mean, it started like hip hop started at like block parties where DJs would be playing songs,
Yeah.
and then there would be a host on the mic just trying to fill in the silence of like people dancing and stuff. So that's how it started. They would just be talking, and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
eventually
yeah,
they
yeah.
got so good at it
Yeah,
that
rhyming
they
and-
became the front man in the
The
set.
MCs.
Yeah.
The DJs were the stars initially.
Hey, but So much so that abhi, like today the day we're recording is the day the Olympics start, and I think ye Olympics se, I think last Olympics se, breakdance is a
Yeah.
Olympic
sporting
sport.
Olympic
Olympic
sport or
sport,
a
yes,
competition.
correct.
So
Correct.
dance has become a sport at this point.
Yeah.
I mean, that is insane. What are your thoughts on that? Ki breakdance hai Olympics mein hai.
Yeah. I mean, it's a big thing for dance culture, man. I feel like Olympic में represent करना, वो भी डांस के थ्रू, इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है?
That's amazing.
मतलब it's like it's a win-win situation for dance culture.
Yeah.
For
I mean,
sure.
you're getting आपको वो gold, silver, bronze medals मिल रहे हैं, the same which are going to athletes also. It's
Yeah.
you're at par with them.
It's
That's
insane.
huge.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's maybe more athletic to break dance than some of the sports, bro.
Yeah.
What is the
Archery-
least athletic
archery.
Olympic sport, do you think? I said shooting.
Yeah, like
Shooting,
essentially.
yeah.
Shooting.
Yeah,
you
of course.
see-
I mean,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah. Set it up for me.
Yeah.
I'll pull the trigger. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I guess archery, shooting.
Yeah.
No, dude, wait, hold up.
When they get-
archery is fucking tough.
I'm not saying it's not tough.
Athletic.
I'm saying it's less athletic
No,
than
you
dance.
have to be athletic to
Yeah.
pull a 70-pound bow. Like the bows are not like those toy ones that
I
come in a
would
string.
still argue it's less athletic than breakdance.
Yeah.
Oh,
That it
I'm
is.
not arguing that at all.
No one's
Breakdancing
arguing
is
that.
very athletic, but archery, shooting, I understand. Pull a trigger, it's done. But archery itself is probably very, there's a lot of strength involved.
I
There's a lot
think
of
every
technique
Olympic
involved.
sport is tough. I don't think that's
You're
the
right, you're
argument.
right, you're right. What's your
Wait,
favorite
let me-
sport? What are you looking forward to the most in these Olympics? Except for breakdancing, obviously.
Basketball.
Oh, fuck yes.
Yeah,
dude.
I love basketball.
It's gonna be great, man.
Yeah.
You saw LeBron carrying the Team USA flag and everything.
Yes.
It's gonna be fantastic, man.
So
Even the Greek flag was carried by that fellow.
Giannis,
Giannis.
and Germany was Dennis Schroeder, another NBA player. Who are you most excited to see in the Olympics with basketball?
Curry more.
Yeah, I think LeBron and Curry playing together.
Yeah, playing
will be
together. It's like
fantastic.
ये सब लोग को यही चाहिए था कि
Yeah,
यार दोनों
yeah,
को
yeah,
साथ में खेले and they are playing it.
I don't think
finally.
they've ever played together.
Yeah.
Ever.
All-Star?
Which is
In all-star
crazy.
game, of course,
Yeah,
but that's a different
All-Stars,
thing. They just go like,
All-Star.
okay, मार दिया हो गया,
Yeah.
but it's like a legit game,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
representing
Crazy.
the country.
Have you been watching the games?
I have watched it live also.
Yeah, it's so good. It's on YouTube. It's amazing.
No, he's saying he watched it in
Live, like,
person.
Like in person also. When I was in US, I watched LeBron,
Oh,
playing.
dude, that's sick.
A short story. When I was maybe like 12 or 13, मैंने सोचा था कि मुझे बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर बनना है.
Hmm.
I was like, यार मुझे I have to legitly have become a basketball player because seeing the people around me,
हाँ.
मुझे लगता था यार मैं बन जाऊंगा. तो मुझे लगता था वो लगता था चला गया. एक बार जब मैं एक्चुअल गेम में गया ना, मैंने कहा यार नहीं ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. But yeah, I love basketball more than any other sport.
That's
okay,
awesome.
that's sick.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Who's
Then
your-
you're super hyped about this Olympics.
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is like it's the Avengers team that's come to beat the whole world
Yeah,
up.
all these three players, LeBron, Curry, and Kevin Durant, they are playing together.
Yeah.
That's so crazy.
That's
bro.
crazy.
It's
And-
actually wild.
and
obviously-
Embiid.
whatever. Yeah, whatever.
Embiid, bro,
It's
my
okay,
guy.
it's fine.
Embiid, yeah.
But it's much more competitive now.
It is.
Because
Yeah.
back in the day, there weren't as many NBA players spread out in the world.
Yeah.
Now I think Team USA is going up against 66 former NBA, I mean current or former NBA players.
Crazy.
So it's pretty competitive.
It's pretty competitive.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite team?
Golden States.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh,
sure.
sick.
Because I love Curry. I
Okay,
feel
fair
like
enough.
because the personality he has on stage and off the stage is same.
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel
Yeah.
like कि यार वो एकदम real है.
हाँ.
It's just playing to win it and casually जाता है, आता है,
Yeah.
खेलता है, chill
Change the
करता
game.
है.
Yeah, that's
but,
true.
हाँ, but उसका जो IQ है and the presence of mind, it's very
Yeah.
good.
That's actually what he said in an interview about playing with LeBron. Is that
Okay.
he's like, I loved playing with LeBron because
Yeah.
we're on the same wavelength, IQ
Yes.
wise, basketball IQ wise.
Correct,
And you can see
correct.
them have so much fun, bro. on the
Dude,
court.
it's gonna be
Super.
sick.
All the have you seen the games that have been happening?
Yeah, recently, na?
currently?
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll go. When is your US tour?
It's starting from 14th August.
14th.
Ah.
Yeah, and it.
Let them know, man. We have a lot of people watching.
Yes,
in the US.
so I'm coming to US and I'll take a series of workshop. It's a US tour and it starts from New York and ends in New York. 14 से लेके 14 से लेके 1st तक.
Wow, that's
14
wow.
14
That's a long
August
time,
to
bro.
1st September.
So 15 days of
15
going
days,
back and
yeah.
Wow.
Back and
How
forth,
many
back and forth, back
Yeah.
and forth.
How many workshops are you doing in 15 days?
More than 15.
Whoa.
Yeah, more than
That's
15.
crazy,
Yeah,
man.
so
Link
New York,
everything.
I'm teaching 3 classes.
Amazing.
In LA I'm teaching 2 classes, Chicago I'm teaching 2 classes, Bay Area I'm teaching 2 classes, and Dallas Austin 1 class. So it's like more than 15 classes.
Yeah, wow.
That's great, man.
That's
Yeah.
fun, man.
The season unfortunately doesn't start when you're there. No, the season
Yeah.
starts later.
हाँ, NBA तो.
Later.
But एक बार
That's
मुझे
okay,
एक बार
you'll go
देखना
again.
था.
Yeah, of course.
My wish was to just watch once. एक
Yeah.
बार तो मैं गेम देखूं.
Which
ऊपर
one?
का सीट मिला मुझे बहुत. ऐसा लगता नीचे गिरूंगा क्योंकि उनका जो स्टेडियम था ना वो ऐसा था
हाँ.
और वो ऐसा है, थोड़ा सा भी ऐसा हो ना जैसे गिर जाएंगे यार.
LA में वो Staples Center.
Yes,
Crypto
yes,
Arena. हाँ,
yes.
yeah.
And that match was really good.
Which season was this?
2022.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you got the championship season also for Golden State.
No, I watched LeBron playing.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's on
yeah,
Lakers.
yeah.
Yeah.
My bad,
Crypto,
my
bro.
bad. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So it was Lakers versus?
Lakers versus Boston Celtics.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's a sick
Yeah.
game, dude.
Yeah.
Great game, actually.
That was stadium was already like they already had a very solid team because 2020
Full था stadium.
हाँ.
22 was
पूरा
when
भरा था.
Boston went to the finals.
they went to the finals that year.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy, dude.
That match was crazy. Last moment पे उनका एक 3-pointer गया.
हाँ.
And people were hyped up. And मैं वहाँ पे जाके ना actual hate देखा है ना लोगों में.
हाँ.
जो दूसरी टीम के प्रति है. I
Yeah,
feel
yeah,
like
yeah.
if I am from LA and
हाँ.
if I am like supporting Lakers.
हाँ.
जो दूसरी टीम है ना वो इतना बू कर रहे थे ना.
Yeah.
आई हैव नेवर वॉच गेम लाइव. क्रिकेट ऑल्सो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है
हाँ.
सामने से. सो आई डोंट नो. क्योंकि लोग बोलते हैं कि बहुत हेट रहता है बट वहाँ पे तो लेजिट रहता है.
Especially Lakers and Celtics.
Celtics,
It's a
हाँ.
full rivalry anyway. right?
क्रेजी. एंड जब अब मुझे इतना टेक्निक वाइज तो पता नहीं है बट whenever they are charging, like the LeBron team's charging, they were playing good songs, but जब Celtics charge करते ना कुछ भी चल रहा था. It's like a haunt हो रहा है हम लोग को.
It's supposed to throw the rhythm off.
Yeah.
It's supposed to throw the rhythm of the players off and the offense off. It's fantastic.
That's
Actually.
like the Jaws
It's
song.
so
right?
crazy.
Just a beat,
Like
कुछ
it's
haunting beat. मेरे को डर लग रहा है ऊपर बैठे मैंने कहा यार मैं तो एलो को सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को उन लोग के लिए डर क्यों लग रहा है.
Bro, but I wanted to talk about this. So, like, obviously, we're all going for the YouTube Fan Fest, and
Yeah.
we only started our YouTube journey like 2 years ago, and we've slowly built our community to like what 60,000 folks now.
Yeah.
You have obviously built it over 10 years to 1 million plus and stuff.
Yeah.
And I wanted some advice on like how you've engaged your community to the point where like you are able to do a US tour, go to Dubai and have them come pay
Yeah.
tickets to come watch you, come see you perform, come
Yeah.
learn with you.
Yeah.
Anything specific, any advice you want to give us?
Yeah, so I feel like whenever you think कि आपका ये कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं है उसको डालो.
That's fantastic. Actually.
Yeah. आप अपने हिसाब से सोच रहे हो. You should also think about other. मतलब ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि यार क्योंकि मेरा जो वीडियो वायरल गया था ना मैं उसको डालने ही नहीं वाला था.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like यार it's not looking good. I have not danced great. It's not my thing. I have to हमेशा हम ये नहीं सोच सकते कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ चेंज लाना है कम्युनिटी में. आई फील कि जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है ना कि यार ये नहीं चलेगा आई थिंक वही चलेगा.
That video of his did 22 million views.
तो दैट वाज तो मेड बाय पर्पसली ओनली.
हाँ,
बट जो इनिशियली जो मैं 100 के सब्सक्राइबर्स तक मैं पहुंचा था ना वो एक वीडियो था प्यार करके बसता है. एंड आई वाज इन दिल्ली एंड आई आस्क्ड फ्यू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स कि यार ये एक वीडियो है मैंने बनाया है नया कैसे डालूँ कि डालूँ. बहुत डाइसी था और मैंने पहली बार वीडियो डाल के छोड़ दिया 2 घंटा ना. मैं चला गया था वापस आया फ़ोन तो बज़ होने लगा. मैंने कहा ये तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं. इतना सोच के जब हम लोग चीज़ें बनाते हैं ना बहुत वो होता है ना बहुत कोरियोग्राफिक लगता है. मतलब इन यू ऑल्सो इन योर फील्ड ऑल्सो वट एवर कम्स नेचुरली ना आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट.
Bro, I'll tell you. So, Rain Girl was written on my car ride to the studio. I had nothing written.
Yeah.
I only used to write in English.
Correct.
So I was like, fuck it, I anyway don't have anything. Let me
Yeah.
try writing in Hindi.
Yeah.
So that was written in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Went to the
Amazing.
studio, did it, and then I agree with you. Sometimes like your impulse is so strong.
Yeah.
You should just put it out.
Put it out. I don't know कि क्या चलने वाला है क्या होने वाला है नेक्स्ट पल में किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. जस्ट पुट इट आउट. ऑफ कोर्स अभी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि जो भी आप डाल रहे हो that should be something something new, something more creative, but sometimes just let go. It feels like okay there's no one judging you. आपको पता है ना कि आप क्या हो, then that's it.
This is kind of a perfect segue into something I wanted to do with you, Himanshu.
Yeah.
So I've been working on my album for 14 months now. It's been too long.
Okay.
I have to put it out next month, no matter what happens. There's one song that I think is like a dance song on this album.
Okay.
But it's not done yet. I want to play it for you and I want your feedback on what I can probably add to it to make it more fun for dancers to dance to.
Okay, go for it.
Let's do it.
Let's do
Even
it.
None of these guys have also heard this song.
Yeah.
I've heard it.
You've not heard it.
I've heard it.
You haven't. Okay, let's do it.
Jay, since you heard it, I think you should do the dance you prepared to this song.
I was waiting for the input, so then we can.
You all can do it together. Yeah, yeah.
Have you tried before dancing to the classes?
yeah, of course. Not classes, but casual.
Casual, like club levels.
Yeah, like out and about.
He has a damn good twerk. You want to see it?
No, I got some moves. I mean, obviously,
Once you give him enough of that vodka in the back, he'll dance.
Okay, let's do this. This song is called IDK. This is a preview for you guys as well. And if y'all have feedback as well, please
What's it called?
IDK.
IDK.
Yeah, I don't know either, man.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
Sorry,
yeah, I don't
what is it?
What did you say?
Yeah, I don't know. What is?
Okay, let's go.
This is how he gets a lot of his copyright done.
Homie, too tight, might break it off. Come around and I'm taking off. Where you at? Where we going? The answers you're waiting on. Baby, if I'm being honest, I could feel it creeping on. I don't wanna put a label on it.
Here's where the thing would start.
Freaking on, late night fuck. Get a good grip, baseline up. When you come, feel it on my tongue, but it won't slip. Could you be the one? I don't know.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's good. It's from the album.
Man, it's too clean, bro.
And there's a surprise here. Y'all will get.
Call me when you need a friend. Why'd you go when I need a hand? Why'd you leave? Who's that? Come back to me just to
Marianne.
Crazy what you can do with your voice, huh?
Can't you just say what's on your mind? Show me how you feel, just hold me tight. I want you there all alone tonight. When I'm waiting all late night love, making my face light up. I don't wanna waste my time. I wanna feel your rush.
I don't know. Keep me running, don't stop. Give me something. I don't know.
And then there's this next section after this that I also think is good for dance. Like, just let me know.
Keep me buzzing, don't stop. Feel it rushing.
Right here.
Let yourself go.
Nice.
Let yourself go.
What do you think, man?
I love it. I love it. It's a more. So I don't know your thought process, but it looks like more artistic.
Yeah.
You know.
This
Yeah,
is the
less
longest.
Like yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, what'd you say?
Less poppy, more like of what you want.
Yeah.
Like more, this is more of the music that you would listen to
Yeah.
regularly.
It's very-
You just made this song.
No.
No wonder your fucking album's taking so much time. This fucking guy is what?
How many songs are there in the album?
11.
11 songs.
It's a good length album.
And
That's
more-
another exclusive, huh?
Any features
Yeah.
or something?
Well, Marianne, who was on this.
Okay.
There's one more that I won't reveal. But she
Oh.
was on another song. Actually,
Hey, bro, you're mad.
I wonder who, man.
Damn.
It's Viraya, his
Could either go
niece.
one of two ways, this or that.
this way, that way. We had an artist called Camille from Argentina. So she's going to be on another song.
Crazy.
And obviously Deshaun.
And Nishan, yeah.
The song is good. The song. No feedback, man. मुझे तो
Okay,
लग रहा
Jay,
है
go
best
now.
है.
You heard it
मुझे तो
here
बहुत अच्छा
first,
लगा.
man. Thank you.
No feedback, right? You wanted input from
I
him.
liked it. I
There's
liked
no
it.
feedback, so now you go.
I mean, I was grooving, obviously.
Yeah.
I have to make a mind map.
So that means he liked it.
Yeah. It's groovy.
It's groovy.
Y'all didn't see y'all didn't see this, but the camera caught it. Jay was doing like his specialty dance move during that set.
Yeah.
I was shocked. I was wowed. So we'll cut to that while this is happening, guys.
Yeah.
This is one for the audience. He can do things with his chest that I've never seen.
It was good. I liked it. I think you make good music. And I honestly,
I don't want feedback from you guys, but I don't fucking care about your feedback.
So now that you're asking us, bro, I think
the lyrics could be a little more.
it needs a little bit more. What's the word?
Work. For sure.
Rhythm.
Just a rhythm. A little more rhythms.
Yeah. Yes.
That's what it is. That's what it
More
is.
like musical.
It should. Like I have to like it to go back and listen to it again.
Yes, sir.
We'll work on the replay value of that.
Yeah, that's good. No, it was good. Just we'll rework it.
Thank you guys.
No problem. We're always gonna do that. It's fine.
Do you have asshole friends like this that comment on your
तो
dance?
कम है भाई, कम है.
No, it's still on camera, no. So.
अभी तक तो बोल भी देते हैं कि क्या है ये.
But tell us, tell us something about you outside of dance. Like,
Outside of dance.
what's something else you're passionate about? Something that you are very interested in?
Yeah, I mean nothing.
I actually like that answer a lot.
Yeah.
I fuck with it.
Yeah.
What else is there other than
Basketball.
I feel, yeah, basketball,
Yeah.
PlayStation, of course.
Yeah.
More
Play
than
on
more
PlayStation.
games, yeah. Football, FIFA,
Okay.
Faken,
Do
yeah.
you ever want to like start your own kind of school for dance as well?
Not as of yet. अभी तो ऐसा कुछ सोचा नहीं है. अभी ऐसा माइंड में नहीं है कि ऐसा कुछ खोलना है. But yeah, maybe in future कि for the people who just want to pursue dancing and want a right amount of training, I wanted to open a space for them.
Yeah,
Not a school, like just a space for them, because I know the struggle behind it, and people like me come from the smaller cities to a bigger city and have dreams about becoming something in dance. So I feel like कि उन लोग के लिए थोड़ा बहुत space create करूँगा, which will be not
Not
That's
too
cool.
expensive.
Yeah.
Just like
That's cool.
That's cool, man.
On that, what is your favorite dance movie?
dance movie.
Yeah.
Step Up.
Step Up.
I recently watched Magic Mike.
Oh, yeah,
It
that's
was
sick.
pretty good. It was pretty new. Like the
was also-
concept, the story also was very new.
That's all.
Yeah.
He's also a dancer first, right?
Yeah, Channing Tatum.
Tatum.
Yeah,
yeah, Step Up.
Yeah,
Channing
Step
Tatum,
Up.
Step
Step
Up.
Up. So Step Up 2 is the all-time favorite.
Yeah.
movie.
Step
मुझे
Up
लगता है
2?
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I think
Back
वैसी
to the
मूवी
streets.
नहीं बन सकती.
हाँ.
Because उसमें जो rawness था, जो कल्चर इवॉल्व हुआ था वहाँ के बाद, आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट. एंड दे वर डांसिंग इन द रेन.
Yeah.
everyone knows that scene.
हाँ, आई
That scene
मीन
is too
उसके
good.
बाद ही ऐसा समझ में आया कि यार बारिश में डांस हो सकता है.
Yeah,
Like, उस टाइप का डांसिंग.
हाँ.
ऑफ कोर्स सब लोग ने किया है वैसा डांसिंग, बट उस टाइप का लेवल ऑफ डांसिंग.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
it's great, bro.
Who said Rab ne bana di jodi? You?
No one said
No
that.
one said it.
That was a
Nobody
dance
said
movie.
anything close to it as well.
रब ने बना दी जोड़ी.
Isn't it? That's the one where Shah Rukh is two people and he's a dance teacher.
Yeah.
And then that's
There's also ABCD, right? Those
Yeah,
are also
yeah,
dance
ABCD.
movies.
anybody can dance.
Anybody
There's
can
also
dance,
Happy
yeah.
Feet. Underrated. It's an underrated
No,
dance.
that is it. That's true, man.
That's a dance move. That's a dance movie.
Because it's a
It's about
dance
a
movie.
penguin.
It's about a
I mean,
penguin who wants to dance
Okay.
and is not accepted by his penguin community.
Yeah.
And
It's a sick movie.
It's a
Really
sick.
good
Like I think
movie.
for any artist in general, it can apply. Where it's like he wasn't accepted because penguins don't dance; they sing, right?
And also he has.
Wait a second. Penguins के ऊपर है?
Like it's animated.
Animated cartoon है. But he can't talk, so they call
Yes,
him. They call
of
him.
course.
As in no. In
No,
the,
well, like usually in that universe, right?
Yeah,
Penguins
yeah.
sing. Do they sing?
they sing and they can talk, but they can't. He can't. He stutters. They
And
call
the
him
premise
mumble.
is that he was dropped as a baby. Like
Yeah.
that's the whole premise.
The-
That's
the,
why he can't
the egg
talk.
was dropped.
Yeah.
But then it's like you have to have that mindset to kind of be different and separate yourself. That's
And he
what
would
that's what
tap
makes you
dance,
great,
basically.
bro.
And then he expresses himself through his dance because he
It's a great
can't.
dance movie.
It's a great
Happy
movie,
Feet,
man.
fucking-
Okay, I'll
fucking-
watch it.
I think I fucking love Happy
We've all of us here, Himanshu approved. Happy Feet, best movie. Okay, last question I have. You said dance reality shows.
Yeah.
DID. What are the other big ones? Well, even America's Got Talent.
Baliye.
Nach Baliye. There was a Indian group on America's Got Talent that won.
NBC.
No, V Unbeatable.
We Unbeatables. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
guys. We Unbeatables. and
Yeah, they're cool,
America's
right?
Got
So, what have you ever considered doing that even as like a judge? Do you want to have a dance show?
Oh no.
No.
पता नहीं मेरे में ये सब आया ही नहीं है यार, ये judge करने
But I
का।
feel like you'd be good, right? Because
Yeah.
if like a bad dancer came, you'd be like, not you. Do it in your room.
यार, तो किसी के कान में बोलूंगा वो बोलेगा मेरे से। मैं उसको सिर्फ देखूंगा ताकि मेरी आंखों समझ जाए वो।
Don't do that again. Get out.
We should do a talent show for HS.
We should do a talent show.
Will you come back as a judge, bro? To judge our talent show.
If you'll be a judge for the rap thing. of
Done.
course I'll-
Of course, yeah.
वो तो एक चाहिए साथ में
हाँ, we'll
मैं नहीं
have-
फंसूं।
We'll get two more of our previous guests. And
Yeah,
so
we'll
you can
also.
be the panel.
I'll join you on
Previous
the panel.
guest, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do some judging.
Well, the three of us are the music experts on the
Yes.
panel. Yeah.
And who'll be the- और होस्ट कौन रहेगा?
Host Adi.
Yeah.
जज भी
No, he won't host.
मैं ही सब कुछ हूँ।
But thank you so much for being here, man. Himanshu.
Thanks,
Before you go, we
Yeah.
love asking our guests to bring us something to put on the shelf.
Yeah.
I know you've forgotten it.
No, but I have something
Oh, you
for you
have
guys.
some-
I have something.
You've been wearing it the whole time, your sunglasses.
Yeah.
I made the
I
same
wish मैं दे देता, but मैं इससे प्यारी चीज देता हूँ.
Yeah,
More than this. मैंने mostly हर वीडियो में पहना है.
हाँ.
And I think it's my lucky, pendant. So I'll give this to you guys.
Oh, no.
You don't have to.
No.
Every video, please keep it.
No, but हो गया ना अभी इसका भी टाइम तो हो गया.
Damn.
That-
That's
but-
confidence.
That's
Wow.
amazing.
I
man,
like
but
that.
Please.
Avi, you have a show in 3 days.
You know what? Go out there, buy yourself a new pendant for
Yeah.
the US tour.
Yeah.
And leave this one with us.
Cool. So I'll do one thing.
At
YouTube
Fan
Fan
Fest.
Fest मेरे लिए अभी सबसे बड़ा opportunity है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. I'll perform there and of course you guys will be there.
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, of course.
तो मैं ये निकाल के आपको तब देता हूँ.
Amazing.
Stage पे, हाँ?
स्टेज पे देता हूँ. स्टेज पे.
Done.
मैंने पहले सुना स्टेज पे. स्टेज पे. ये क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
He said you got it.
अभी हाँ बोल दिया. अभी now it's done.
चलो ठीक है. Done है.
Okay, man, we'll be watching for sure, dude.
Done. Thank
Guys, you should watch that also to see if he actually does it on stage. We'll see you at YouTube Fan Fest. Of course, we're going to link everything of Himanshu's in the description.
Yeah.
If you're in the US, obviously go check him out in one of the 100 countries he's visiting. And anything else you want to end the episode with?
So I'm performing in YouTube Fest. You guys know it already. If you guys are not from Bombay, you can watch it live. It's a live stream. जो हो रहा है तो आप जाके देखिए. And if you're from US, don't forget to attend my class. And if you're from India also, मेरी क्लास आ जाओ. है ना? और मजे करते हैं. Thank you guys.
Alright, man.
Thank you guys for having me, guys.
Thank you for being on, man.
Thank you.
It's time to go learn a dance now.
Yeah.
हो जाए तौबा. ये देखो स्टार्ट का तो देखो ये है. हाँ, यहाँ से तो प्रिपेयर हो जाओ.
Jay, you gotta
ये
go.
से इतना तो कर ही सकते हो आप.
I can do this. I can do this.
सी हाफ तो हो गया है. आप सिखा दो.
Go down and learn the rest. So guys, we're here with Himanshu. He's going to be teaching us the Tauba step. He thinks it's pretty easy, but again,
Yeah.
I still don't know if this is a prank or not. I think they're gonna make me go first, and then none of them are gonna go at all. So
sure, why don't we do
let's
that?
see.
Okay, so you go this first. You go 1, 2, simple. And from here you go 1. Just have to jump on your left leg. You go 1, 2. That's it. 5, 6, 7. You go jump 1, 2. And your hand will go 1, 2. You have to go.
Yeah.
Nice. 6, 7. You go 1, 2. Yeah, say
Good. Do you guys want to just so you guys know, Sid and I aren't performing because we're too good. We don't want to mess it up. Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah, you go 1. Have to jump on your left leg.
Okay.
Left leg. You go your hip. 2. That's it.
Good. Okay.
That's it. Again, jump.
Done.
Again. 1. And then heel. 2. Got it. Done. Go. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's it. And now over here, it's a tricky part, huh?
No, there's more.
Yeah. There's one thing more. जब आप ये रख रहे हो पैर, तो आपको लेफ्ट लेग पीछे शिफ्ट करना है इसको. 1.
Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay.
It's a simple thing. You have to jump.
Do it again, fully.
You go 1 and 2. Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
So
1,
2. So correct, kind of. For now it's good. Yeah. For now it's good.
Oh yeah. Oh,
It's too fast.
That's good.
Wait,
Right.
That was it.
let's watch.
We should watch the master at work first.
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
I say you can do this, right?
I can do that.
This one. Come. Yeah. You also come.
Go on.
You go 1 and 2, and you have to go right 3 and 4. That's it.
Okay, cool. That's the dance.
That we can.
That we
Yeah.
can. ये तो होना चाहिए.
This is like
You have to go right, left, and sing 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
okay, cool. Yeah.
हुसन तेरा तौबा 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 हुसन तेरा तौबा तौबा
That's not it. Cut.
Won't you pick a side? Making a